Welcome to our introduction video for the Residential Wire Pro. In this video we're going to show you how to use the interface as well as the different tools in the Wire Pro to help you get started. First thing you're going to notice is New Project Wizard, and all the settings in this wizard are going to determine how your project starts. So just go through here, take your time, set the settings the way you want, and then just click Finish when you're done. I'm going to continue through here. We got our floor plan scale. We're going to leave ours at 1:64 and hit finish. And here's our new project. At any time we can change these settings. Go to change paper. Here we can readjust our page size, orientation, as well as change our scale ratio if we desire to change the value of that. So being displayed right now is our page. I'm going to zoom in with my mouse wheel, and I'm just going to show you real quickly. Here we have measurements being displayed. And along with that is also a grid, and you're going to notice my mouse cursor is actually snapping to the grid boxes. These are currently set to 1-inch increments, and if I move out of the grid I no longer have the snap. And we can change, currently right now this is set for floor plan. We can change the ruler to a page scale ruler, and here we have page dimensions. We'll change back to floor plan, and we can change settings on this ruler as well. If we click on it, we have properties over here to change the text color, grid. We can choose whether we want the grid to be displayed or not displayed, background, auto size to the page. Also down below we have, here's where our 1-inch increments set. We're going to change that to 6 just to show you. So we have 6 inches, and now you see that the grid is being adjusted and my snap is now snapped into 6-inch increments. We can also, I'm going to zoom out here, we can also move this ruler to a different location, and that snap will follow that ruler. If we move out of there again, you'll notice that I don't have snap. If you're inside the grid area and you want to not have snap, you can disable that by just holding your space bar, and then now we're freely moving around. As soon as we let go, now we're snapping back to the grid boxes. So we're going to move our ruler back. We click on the ruler. We can click this align with page edge, and we're immediately back to our original location. And I'm going to change this back to 1 inch. Over here on the left, you'll notice the different categories. We have walls, windows, doors, electrical appliances, plumbing, power, and structured. As you click on each category, the symbols down below will be displayed, which are available for that particular category. And here we have power. These are all the symbols that are available for the power circuit. If you want to change this, up top we have library organizer. We can switch to common power, which will be just the most common displayed power symbols here. And to actually place a symbol, just click on the symbol, and then your cursor will change to that symbol. We're going to zoom in here a little bit. Go back here, grab a receptacle, and you'll notice, and they also snap to the grid here. So, and to right click, or actually to disable the symbol, we just right click and now it's unselected. And we're going to zoom out just a little bit here with our mouse wheel, go up to walls, windows, doors. Now under the walls we have two different styles. We have just a wall section that you can click on, and you can just left click to place these wall sections, and then right click when you're finished. Here we're going to select one, and we have our properties. We can change our size and our length, the rotation. We're going to choose that 90, and if you move two ends together and let go, they'll actually snap together. The other wall tool is probably going to be the most commonly used one. We're going to select, make sure ours is set for draw at 45-degree angles. This just makes it easier when you're drawing to draw the 90s and the 45s. Also on this particular tool we have the option to include dimension or not include dimensions as we draw. So we're going to just show you real quick. We're drawing a 45 and a 90, and the dimensions are being displayed as we draw. Then when we're done, this is still selected. We just right click and now our walls are set in place. Over here under electrical appliances, you click on an appliance, it'll actually rotate to the wall, as well as your symbols in your power circuit. We'll just show you real briefly here. We have a switch. We'll place that, and we'll go with a light. And then in the power symbols here we also have wires. We have a sweeping wire option. Just click on the area that you want to start and then finish. We have also curved wire, and again we set ours to 45. It just allows us for a cleaner drawing here. We can get more accurate in our drawing, and then we right click when we're finished and it draws it for us. If you click on the wire, right click here, we'll click on the wire, and here we have the properties available for that wire. You can change the line style, the color. Here we have a color palette being displayed. We'll delete this. For zooming up top here, we can zoom to the extents of our page real quickly by clicking that, and here we can see our full page that we're working with. If we want to move in, we just highlight an area and then just go up here and we can zoom to the selection, and it'll quickly bring us into that area for moving back and forth. On any one of these sections here, we have under structured power, we have available drawing tools. We have lines, squares, circles, text boxes. We'll just draw one of these real quick. Just draw your text area, then right click and click inside of here, and you can change this text and then apply the changes. We also have the ability to change the transparency as well as the background color and how you want to set it there. Under the File menu is where you'll print, export, save, as well as open existing projects. We'll just real quickly open a project. Here's some pre-designed ones that we have here that you can look at. And here's our existing project that we just opened up. We can zoom in, you can see some of the layout that we have. Under our walls, windows, and doors section, we'll just grab a door real quick and just show you. As you go against a wall here and just click on it, it'll actually cut itself out. Same thing with a window. Just click on a pre-designed size here. And just go to the wall and just click, and it'll actually cut it out for you. You can also insert graphic objects. We have a whole series of them available, or you can create your own. Just insert a graphic object. We'll grab a compass, and here we have a graphic object, and we can size this over here under the properties to the size that we want, and it's currently set to page scale. You can actually create objects that are set to floor plan scale as well, so that as you change your scale, it'll adjust accordingly. Down below, you'll notice we have an object. This is a legend that we've created, and it's referred to as a building block. You can click on that and edit the text, and here you can just change the text according to the specific drawing details that you want. Here we have a logo. You can change this by just adjusting the building block under the building block designer. Here you can create your own or make changes to ones that we have, as well as insert one into the diagram. So printing and exporting, again, under File, Print, here we have the floor plan page selected. We can just preview the page. This will show what we currently have on our page that will be printed. Under the Export, so go File, Export, and here we just name the file as well as select the format we want to export to, and then we check the page that we want to export and select it, and this again is a preview of what will be exported. Additional changes can be made to your document under Options. You can set your page scale anytime, metric, US standard, measurement display, other project settings. Also, if at any time you want further help, just go to the Help menu. Under Websites, you can go to our Residential Wire Pro Learning Center and check out our other help videos. We'll cover in more detail things such as drawing walls. We'll reproduce part of this existing diagram that you see here in some future tutorials. So go ahead and take a look at those, and thank you for watching.